Imagine carrying an entire filmmaking studio in your pocket. No bulky rigs, no complicated setups, no steep learning curve that scares beginners away. You just hit record, and suddenly ordinary moments start to feel cinematic. That is the kind of expectation people have whenever they hear the name DJI, the same brand that completely reshaped aerial filmmaking. And before we go any further, if you enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe for more informative videos, as I work hard to gather useful information for you, and in return you just hit the bell icon so you never miss what's next. Today, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about compact cameras in the creator space right now, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And listen closely, because this is not just another specs discussion. This is about why a device this small could redefine how content is made in 2025 and beyond, especially for YouTubers, vloggers, travelers, storytellers, and anyone chasing cinematic results without cinematic effort. Stick with me, because every minute from here actually matters. The Osmo Pocket series was never designed to battle big cameras head-on. Its real mission was to eliminate excuses. No more saying there's no time to set up, the camera is too heavy, or you'll film it later. DJI removed all of that friction. And if you have used or even followed earlier models like the Osmo Pocket 3, you already understand how powerful that philosophy is. But the Pocket 4 is not just a routine upgrade. It signals a shift, a move toward truly effortless storytelling. Imagine walking through a crowded New York street, cars rushing by, people moving fast, life unfolding everywhere at once. With most cameras, that footage would feel shaky and overwhelming. With the Osmo Pocket 4, everything feels smooth, balanced, almost calming. That is the strength of a built-in stabilized gimbal that reacts faster than your own movements. The real magic is that you stop feeling like you're filming. You feel like you're simply living in the moment. And that feeling is exactly why viewers stay longer when watching videos captured this way. They are not distracted. They are immersed. Now let's talk about image quality, because this is where expectations really climb. Viewers no longer settle for decent video. They want depth, natural colors, realistic skin tones, highlights that stay under control, and shadows that still hold detail. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to push this even further, building on what creators already loved before. Better low-light performance, stronger dynamic range, and color science that looks great without hours of editing. This matters more than most people realize, especially for faceless YouTube channels. When footage looks professional, viewers assume the content is professional. They trust it more, they watch longer, and they actually listen. Think about how many videos you have clicked on, watched for a few seconds, and then left. Probably more than you can count. Usually it is because nothing visually pulled you in. The Osmo Pocket 4 is built to solve that problem. Smooth motion keeps the brain engaged. Clean framing feels intentional, and gentle cinematic movement triggers emotion. Emotion is what keeps people watching. And when you go deeper, one of the most underrated strengths of this camera is speed. There is no lens swapping, no complicated setup, no tripod required. You take it out, power it on, and you're already recording. That speed lets you capture moments others miss, and moments are what turn videos into real stories. For faceless creators, this is especially powerful. You do not need to appear on screen. You let the visuals speak, the movement guide attention, and the story breathe. When viewers feel that flow, they do not click away. Audio plays a bigger role than most people admit. Clean, focused sound can dramatically increase watch time, and DJI understands this well. The Osmo Pocket line has always prioritized clear voice capture, reduced background noise, and consistent audio even in busy environments. For voiceover creators, that means less time fixing audio, less stress in editing, and more consistency. And consistency is what actually builds channels over time. Now think about travel content. Airports, city streets, mountains, hotels, food markets. Large cameras draw attention, and not always the good kind. A small pocket-sized gimbal camera, on the other hand, often goes unnoticed. That is how you capture authentic moments, the kind viewers subconsciously crave. This is one of the reasons smaller cameras are quietly winning with the algorithm. There is also a psychological layer here that many creators overlook. Shaky footage keeps the brain on edge. Smooth visuals allow the mind to relax. This style of storytelling works especially well for cinematic narration aimed at a U.S. audience that values quality without chaos. Battery life, portability, intelligent tracking, and smart shooting modes all come together to remove friction. When friction disappears, creativity flows. You stop worrying about the camera and start thinking about the story. That is where real growth begins. And here is something people rarely talk about. This camera lowers the mental barrier to starting. You do not need to feel like a filmmaker. You do not need expensive gear. You do not need permission. You just start recording. And the creators who start are the ones who win, because YouTube rewards consistency far more than perfection. The Osmo Pocket 4 is not about showing off gear. It is about removing excuses. It is about capturing an idea the moment it appears, before doubt has time to shut it down. That alone is powerful. Now imagine pairing this camera with calm, faceless narration, subtle cinematic music, and intentional pacing. You do not need aggressive jump cuts or flashy effects. You need flow. Flow keeps viewers watching until the very end. That is how watch time grows. That is how the algorithm starts paying attention. That is how channels grow quietly, without drama or noise. This is why so many creators are waiting for this release. Small cameras are no longer secondary tools. They are becoming the main tool. The Osmo Pocket 4 points toward a future where storytelling is accessible, smooth, and emotionally engaging, even without a face on screen. If your goal is to create videos that people do not just click on, but actually finish, if you want to build a faceless brand that feels premium, and if you want to tell stories visually in a calm and powerful way, this is the kind of camera that makes it possible. The truth is, audiences do not really care about specs. They care about how a video makes them feel, calm, curious, inspired, and connected. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not just a camera people want. It is a camera people now expect. Once you experience smooth storytelling, it is very hard to go back. And that is why this tiny device could become one of the most important tools for creators who understand one simple rule. When viewers feel comfortable, they stay. And when they stay, everything changes. Let's slow this down even more, because this is where many creators miss the real opportunity. In today's world, attention is the most valuable currency. People do not consciously decide to watch a long video. They drift into it minute by minute because something invisible tells them to stay. That invisible force is comfort. Smooth visuals reduce resistance. Natural movement keeps the eyes relaxed. Intentional framing quietly builds trust. This is exactly where a camera like this shines. You are not overwhelming the viewer. You are guiding them. And guidance is powerful. Think about how people in the U.S. watch YouTube late at night. Lights off, phone close, volume low, mind tired. They are not looking for chaos. They want something that flows. Faceless videos thrive here. No forced expressions, no exaggerated energy. Just visuals that move gently and a voice that feels calm and confident. This is why cinematic handheld footage works so well for long-form storytelling. Longevity matters too. Viral videos are exciting, but evergreen content is what builds real channels. A video that feels smooth today will feel smooth years from now. A stressful video ages poorly. This camera gives creators confidence without demanding technical obsession. You do not need to master complex settings or manual controls. The device handles the complexity so you can focus on meaning. Imagine creating a long, faceless documentary-style video with calm narration, subtle music, and visuals drifting through cities, nature, and everyday life. This is the kind of content people do not skip. They let it play while working, relaxing, or thinking. When a video becomes background comfort, watch time skyrockets. That is the hidden advantage. This camera helps you create videos that do not demand attention. They earn it. Most creators quit because the process feels heavy. Heavy gear, heavy editing, heavy expectations. Light tools create lighter workflows. You shoot more, stress less, and upload consistently. Consistency beats talent every single time on platforms like YouTube. For a U.S. audience especially, quality that does not try too hard is highly valued. They want authenticity with polish. The Osmo Pocket 4 strikes that balance perfectly. It does not shout for attention. It quietly signals professionalism, and quiet confidence makes people lean in. Over time, your style becomes recognizable. People click because they know how your videos will feel. That feeling becomes your brand. Smooth cinematic visuals are one of the strongest emotional signatures you can build, especially without showing your face. This camera is not just capturing footage. It is helping you define a visual identity that feels calm, premium, and trustworthy. And trust is the foundation of everything online. At the end of the day, tools do not make creators, but the right tools remove resistance. They remove hesitation, excuses, and fear. When fear fades, creation becomes natural. That is the real power here. Not numbers, not marketing, but momentum. Momentum separates people who talk about YouTube from those who quietly succeed. If a small device can help you build that momentum, story after story, video after video, then it is more than just a camera. It becomes a catalyst for consistency, creativity, and long-form content people actually finish. In a world where finishing a video is rare, that is everything. If you are building faceless content, targeting a calm and mature US-based audience, and you care more about watch time than clicks, this is where content is heading. Slow, smooth, intentional. And once you start creating this way, there is no reason to rush ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.